join. So Mataji is going to give us a lecture Shloki
Yeah,
Bhagavatam.
Chatushloki Bhagavad
Hari
Gita we'll
Hare
talk
Krishna.
about. And Prabhuji just now called and he said, I will try to connect, but you just start Kirtan and then start discussing about Chatushloki Bhagavad Gita. So we'll just start. Okay, Prabhuji? Thank you so much, everyone, for joining this wonderful Bhagavad Gita discussion. Bhagavad Gita itself is a manual for our like life, how to live our life, and Srimad Bhagavatam teaches how to die, like preparation for death. So this Bhagavad Gita, Chatushloki Bhagavad Gita, there are 4 verses, beautiful verses. We'll discuss one by one. If Prabhuji will join, then Prabhuji will take over. So by the time we'll just have interaction, like discussion. If you want to share something, your experiences or some, you can share. So ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवतसेवया भगवती उत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी. So you can see the screen, right, everyone? Can anyone confirm? You can see the screen, Prabhuji?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
Yes, we can see your screen, Mataji, and we can hear you properly. Good.
Okay, thank you, Prabhuji. So, Bhagavad Gita, there are 4 verses. Earlier, like couple of weeks back, Prabhuji mentioned about Chatushloki Bhagavad Gita. So, Bhagavad Gita chapter 10.8 to 10.11. So, we'll just recite the verse, all the verses, and then we'll go discussion one by one. Anybody wants to recite, they are always welcome. Okay. Aham sarvasya prabho. Oh, we had to take blessings from our parampara, our acharya, our guru. Om ajnanatimirandasya jnananjanashalakaya chakshurunmitramena tasmai shri gurave namah. नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते जयपताका स्वामी इति नामिने नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी इति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंदा हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. Okay, so 10.8 Bhagavad Gita 10.8 verse. अहं सर्वस्य प्रभवो मत्त सर्वं प्रवर्तते इति मत्वा भजन्ते मां बुधा भाव समन्विता. So word to word translation, aham, I, sarvasya, of all, prabhava, the source of generation, mataha, from me, sarvam, everything, pravartate, emanates, iti, thus, matva, knowing, bhajante, become devoted, mam, unto me, buddha, the learned, bhava samanvitaha, with great attention. The translation and purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki jai. I am the source of all spiritual and material worlds. Everything emanates from me. The wise who perfectly know this engage in my devotional service and worship me with all their hearts. Purport. A learned scholar who has studied the Vedas perfectly and has information from authorities like Lord Chaitanya and who knows how to apply these teachings can understand that Krishna is the origin of everything in both the material and spiritual worlds. And because he knows this perfectly, he becomes firmly fixed in the devotional service of the Supreme Lord. He can never be deviated from the amount of non-sensual commentaries or by fools. All Vedic literature agrees that Krishna is the source of Brahma, Shiva and all the demigods. The Atharva Veda, Gopala Tapani Upanishad, 1.24, it is said that Yo Brahma Manam Vidati Purvam Yo Vai Vaidyam Cha Gapasyati Gapayati Sma Krishna. It was Krishna who is in the beginning instructed Brahma in the Vedic knowledge and who disseminated Vedic knowledge in the past. The again Narayana Upanishad 1 says, Atha Purushaha Vai Narayano Kamayata Prajaha Shriyati. Then the Supreme Personality, Narayan, desired to create living entities. The Upanishad continues, Narayan Brahma Jayate, Narayanat Prajayate, Narayanat Indro Jayate, Narayanat Astu Vasavo Jayante, Nityananda Ekadashi Rudra Jayante, Nityananda Dwadashi. From Narayan, Brahma is born, and from Narayan, the particular patriarchs are also born. From Narayan, Indra is born. From Narayan, the 8 Vasus are born. From Narayan, the 11 Rudras are born. And Narayan, the 12 Adityas are born. The Narayan is the expansion of Krishna. It is said the same in Brahma Vedas. Brahmayo Devaki Putra, the son of Devaki. Krishna is the Supreme Personality, Narayana Upanishad 4. Then it is said, Eko Vai Narayana Asinna Brahma Nesano Napo Nagni Somayu Neme Dva Arpithi Na Nasyatrani Na Suya. In the beginning of the creation, there was only the Supreme Personality of Narayan. There was no Brahma, no Shiva, no water, no fire, no moon, no heaven, no earth, no stars in the sky, no sun. Maha Upanishad 1.2. In the Maha Upanishad, it is also said that Lord Shiva was born from the forehead of the Supreme Lord. Thus, the Veda says that it is the Supreme Lord and creator of Brahma and Shiva who is to be worshipped. In the Moksha Dharma section of Mahabharata, Krishna also says, Prajapatim cha rudram chapi aham eva srijami vai tohi mamana vijanto vijayanito mama maya vimohito. The patriarchs Shiva and others are created by me. Though they do not know that they are created by me, also they are diluted by my illusionary energy. It is in Varaha Purana also it is said, Narayana Paro Devas Tasmat Jatas Chaturmukha Tasmat Rudro Bhagavata Deva Sacha Sarva Jnatam Gataha. Narayan is also Supreme Personality of Godhead, and from him Brahma was born, and from Shiva was born, and Lord Shiva, Krishna is the source of all generation, and he is called the most efficient cause of everything. He says, because everything is born from me, of me, I am the original source of all. Everything is under me. No one is above me. There is no supreme controller other than Krishna. One who understands Krishna in such a way that from a bona fide spiritual master with reference from Vedic literature engages all his energy in Krishna consciousness and becomes truly learned man. In comparison to him, all others who do not know Krishna properly, but fools, only fools would consider Krishna to be ordinary man. A Krishna conscious person should not be bewildered by fools. He should avoid all unauthorized commentaries and interpretation of Bhagavad Gita and proceed in Krishna consciousness with determination and firmness. So this verse, they are talking about how everything came from Krishna. He is the origin, right? Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Always, all the literature, whatever Srila Prabhupada's books are there, Lilamrut or Chaitanya Charitamrut, it says nobody is equal or greater than Krishna. He is the origin. He is the Ishvara. And when Brahma was born, Brahma saw where I am on that lotus. and then he heard that tapa, tapa, and then Krishna appeared in front of him and gave 4 verses, Chatushloki Bhagavad, they are in Bhagavatam. And from that Chatushloki Bhagavatam, he Vyas Muni expanded. That's why his name is Vyas. Vyas means expansion. So, and that time when Brahmaji saw Krishna, and he just say what we say Brahma Samhita every morning after Mangal Aarti. We say after Shringar Darshan, when curtain opens, we say Govindam Adipurusham Tam Ham Bhajami. So he said, Ishvara Paramakrishna Satchidananda Vigrahana Radir Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam. He is the cause of all the causes. Whatever is happening, we are just puppets. He is a 3 Guni Maya, like mode of passion, mode of goodness, mode of goodness, mode of passion, and mode of ignorance. They are controlling us, and we are just going through that flow. We think, oh, we are doing everything, right? We are not doing it. Nothing is by chance also. Whatever we are getting, even simple thing, prasadam also, if we are getting, lot of people cannot eat. Even we get plate in front of us, but everybody cannot eat, right? It is sanctioned by Krishna only. He is the Aham Sarvasya Prabhu. He says, I am the one. Iti matva bhajante ma Buddha bhava samanvita. He says, because without me, I am everywhere, and without me you cannot do anything. And in Chaitanya Charitamrita, beautiful, it's so beautiful. Chaitanya Krishnaraj Kaviraj Goswami, at the age of 90, I think 90 or 99, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told him, compile this Chaitanya Charitamrita, and so much nectar. Every evening we have 7 o'clock, different speakers are speaking about that. Yesterday Madhupati Prabhuji spoke about it. So beautiful, like Chaitanya, there is no equal. And how Krishna came in the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, right? Krishna came, he gave Bhagavad Gita. Everybody has Bhagavad Gita at home, but how many people are reading that Bhagavad Gita, right? So he came in the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the mood and complexion of Srimati Radharani. So much compassion. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has so much compassion. And he gave Harinam Sankirtan, right? He went to village and he Pancha Tattvatmakam Krishna Bhakta Rupa Swarupakam Bhaktatkam Bhaktakyam Namami Bhakti Shaktikam. He pervaded himself, he manifested in 5 forms, in different forms, like devotee form, energy form, Bhakta Rup, Bhakta Swarup, Nityananda Prabhu, and Bhakta Avatar, Advaitacharya. That's why when we chant our Hare Krishna Mahamantra, before every round we chant this Panchataya, because they are taking care. Krishna himself, all 5 forms, right? And he wanted to enjoy those mellows, how Srimati Radharani is, or other devotees also, right? Bhakta, Shakti, right? Srimati Radharani, and Bhakta Roop, he is Bhakta Swarup, Nityananda Prabhu, he is Bhakta Roop. He came as a devotee, and Bhakta Avatar, like Advaitacharya, both Shivji and Vishnu, Mahavishnu, Sadashiv and Mahavishnu. So he went to different villages and gave this Hare Krishna Mahamantra, because in Kali Yuga, Kali Kale, Namarupe Krishna Avatar. Krishna came in the form of name. It's not like ordinary thing what we got in this parampara, what our dear Srila Prabhupada gave, or all these Goswamis, our Shastra. It's not like ordinary thing. It's priceless, and we should have so much gratitude, and we should be sincere. That is the lesson from every whatever purport we are reading, whatever verses we are reading, that is our responsibility. So we'll go to next verse. So he is the origin, okay? Ishvara Paramakrishna Satchidananda Vigraha Anadi Radir Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam. Now he gave everything, right? Now this verse is Machita Madgat Prana Bodhayanta Parasparam Akathayancha Cha Mam Nityam Tushyanti Cha Ramanti Cha. Means when we are like this is discussion, right? How many every Friday, how many 5 to 7 people are there, right? So many people are there in our congregation or in New Jersey, right? But it is Krishna's mercy, Guru's mercy. We did something pious in previous birth. That's why we are joining the classes and hearing. What we have to do, just start. Video is not on also, no problem, right? And then we are discussing Masjid Madgat Prana. One day I was watching one video, Radha Govinda Maharaj and I think Purushottam, they were discussing about Bhagavatam, and Radha Govinda Maharaj, he started this Bhagavatam. Earlier it was only in the temple, early morning, like after Shringar Aarti, but he took it out, like he went and the Bhagavatam started everywhere, and that's why we are getting. So he is so much in Bhagavatam. If we tell the number of Bhagavatam, he can recite that number, 18,000 verses he can recite, and he can tell the number, that much. He is so much engrossed. He lived Bhagavatam. Whole life he dedicated for Srila Prabhupada. So now he is in Vrindavan. So these both were talking and laughing, and Maharaj was drinking water, and then he was getting like this and laughing so much. So much Tushan teacher, Raman teacher. Wherever somebody is talking about glorification, we get so much Tushanti and Ramanti, means so much nectar, and our heart is filled with the love of Godhead, right? So much glorification. See, movie also, sometimes Sholay movie, people watch so many times. But how many times we can watch? But this is Puran. Why they say it is Nitya Naveen. Every time, same verse if you read, every time we get different meaning, different realizations from different speakers, from us also, different realization. So, why? Because it is Nitya Naveen, right? It never becomes stale. Always, so much Tushanticha, Ramanticha. So, we will not read all this purport and all that. It's very long purport. So, because it is, okay, 770. So, this is very beautiful verse. All these 4 verses we should know by heart. When last, like maybe couple of weeks only, Madhupati Prabhuji mentioned about this. I was also not knowing, and already I knew this verse, and last verse was the like 11th verse. Beautiful verses, very, very important, and how to elevate ourselves, how to progress in the bhakti, these verses are teaching. That's why 4 verses, Chaturshloki Bhagavad Gita. So, Tesham Satata Yuktanam Bhajatam Priti Purvakam Dadami Buddhi Yogam Tam Ena Mam Upayantite. So, Tesham Satata Yuktanam means, Tesham means he, always, our mind, everything, all our senses, always engage in the service. How? Amrish Maharaj, he was king, right? Chakravarti Samrat of whole universe, and he was he, all the senses, like he was using his eyes for taking darshan. He was growing vegetables, grains, everything. He was hearing glories of Krishna all the time. Pada Sevanam, all Navida Bhakti he was doing, going to temple, doing all the services, totally engrossed. And that's why he was a great devotee, and Krishna is behind devotee. We cannot take offenses against devotee, because they say if you do something wrong, means offenses against Krishna, Guru can take care. But if we have offenses against any devotee or Guru, Krishna also cannot, he doesn't support. So in case of Durvasa, means that past time, Ekadashi time, he didn't come, right? He came with his disciple Durvasa Muni, and it was Ekadashi, and Amrish Maharaj was observing Ekadashi since 1 year. And that time, break time is there always. So in that time, Durvasa Muni, he went with his disciples for taking bath in the river, and he did not come, right? And there was a time for breaking the fast. So he consulted his gurus and all that other sadhus. They say, see, you can touch water to your lips, means it is breaking fast, and you are not disrespecting Durvasa Muni because you can eat with him, right? So he just did, and that time Durvasa Muni came, and he saw, oh, Durvasa Muni always on the top of the anger. So he said, he started cursing, and he took one jata, and that he manifested one person to kill Amrish Maharaj. But the Amrish Maharaj was a great devotee. Sudarshan Chakra, they say if we are doing offenses against devotee, Sudarshan Chakra just starts and he just बोलते हैं ना कि मार लगता है मगर पता नहीं चलता है, जिसको पता है मतलब उसी को पता चलता है कि what we did wrong, and there is a always slap from Krishna. And then finally he was going to Shivji. The Sudarshan Chakra was following him to kill Durvasa Muni. He went to Shivji, Brahma. They said, no, we cannot protect you, we cannot save you. Indra, he went to different places. Finally he went to Krishna. He said, no, you have to go to my devotee only, and you have to surrender. And he went and he just surrendered. Amrish Maharaj, his whole tapa he gave. He said, Sudarshan Chakra, if I did something pious in my life, please calm down. And then it went. So see, devotees are like this. So lesson is we have to be always careful against devotees. Even people are doing, sometimes we don't know how they are inside, right? From that Prajapati Daksha's pastime we had in Canto 4. So there Prajapati Daksha, in his assembly, Shivji was meditating. He is always meditating on Sankarshan, Ram, Balaram, and his attire is also like this. We know how Shivji lives his life. So Prajapati, everybody got up. Prajapati, like Shivji didn't get up. So he did not see everybody got up. He is his son-in-law, and that like revenge he wanted to do, and he organized one yajna where he didn't invite only Shivji and his own daughter Sati. And we know what is the consequences. Everything was it's all destruction. Finally Prajapati Daksha got the goat head and all that. So offenses, we have to be very careful. And this, if we are Priti Purvakam, always Patram Pushpam Phalam Toyam Yo Me Bhaktya Prayachiti Tadaham Bhakti Upayatam Asnami Prayatatma. He said, with love, you offer with love, doesn't matter, little flower, tulsi leaf, just water, little fruit, I am happy, but with love. Like this here also, Jantam Priti Purvakam. Not like, we have now vow like 4 regulatory principle or 16 rounds we are just following. No, we should have love from our bottom of heart. Then only he pleases. He is Bhoktaram Yajna Tapasa Sarva Lokameshwaram. He is the enjoyer of everything. If we are doing everything for him, he just takes care. Only he said, come, just surrender unto me. Manmana bhav mad bhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru mame vaishyasi yuktevam atmanam matparani. He said twice, 9.34 also, Manmana bhav mad bhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru mame vaishyasi satyam te pratijane piyasime. 2 times he said, just worship me, just surrender unto me, I will take care. And we saw in case of Arjun, when Arjun just surrendered, Shishtastam Shadimam Tam Prapanna, he said, okay, I am your Shishya now, I am your disciple, I am your Bhakta, you just whatever you say, I will do. And we know, he said, Krishna said, already they are dead. He showed Virat Roop, right? Already there. You have to just take credit. Like this, our life is also like this. We are thinking, oh, we have job, we have house, we are taking care of our children. No, we are just the mediator. We are just a puppet. We are not doing anything. All is sanctioning by Krishna. So, but there should be Priti Purvakam, love, all the time, love of Godhead. In Chaitanya Charitamrut, they are mentioning, now our 8th chapter is going on, and there these Panchatattva, right? Anyway, like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate, means Krishna Prem, he came to give Krishna Prem, love, everywhere love, flood of love. They said when they were going to Sankirtan, there was flood of love everywhere, love of Godhead. And that always, it's very, very important. Everywhere they are talking about Priti, love, and then he said, I give buddhi, right? He said, Dadami buddhi yogam. He gives intelligence. And there is, then people say, when I started ISKCON, my son was like, I think 7 years old, and we used to go for Bhakti Viksha. And then he said, then if Krishna is taking care, then why people are suffering? Why we are doing wrong? And so very nice example is there. Like children, like little children, right? Parents are telling there is a fan, don't touch, or fire, don't touch, right? They give instruction, but still they want to check, oh, how does it feel? Like how touching the fire, touching the fan, right? And they get consequences. 2% will Krishna give. And like that, we also got like this. He gave everything, all opulences we got from Krishna, right? Ample of oxygen. COVID time, people were like, there is one story, I just read one article. One rich man, 4 or 5 days he was in the hospital, and then he saw the bill and he was crying. Then people from that desk, they say, oh, you are so rich, you are crying for like 4 or 5 lakhs. He said, no, I am not crying for money. I am crying. He gave whole life, I use oxygen, and I never thought to give something to Lord who gave us everything. Air, water, everything. Now power is not there, right? From where? Aham sarvasya prabho, matta sarva pravate. There is no light. Always it's light. Krishna is there is always light. We don't have to take power. Sun is coming. Sun is the eye of Krishna, one eye of Krishna, and we are getting that light from sun, right? If sun doesn't come, it was dark 2 hours back when it was raining. How we feel? Everything we got, water, ample of water. Lot of people, they drought, they had to go and bring water. Here we are wasting so much water in the tub, in the kitchen, right? So much he gave, everything, intelligence also. He gave intelligence, and that we had to use. The Prabhupada said, surrender with intelligence. Don't surrender your intelligence. So see first what Shastra is telling us. Think about that and then follow, apply in our life. And that is most important, right? And he gives buddhi. So always, if our senses are connected to Krishna, then he will give good intelligence, right? That's why he says, just surrender unto me, just leave it to me. Sometimes we have so many problems, and that time, Gaur Gopal Prabhuji said, when somebody is provoking and we have anger, just pause that moment, let it pass that time. After that, we get intelligence if we think about Krishna, or we chant, or right, we like connect to Krishna, and then problem gets resolved. So intelligence, dadami buddhi yogam tam, right? He gives buddhi, and that intelligence we are getting from Krishna only. Everything, even Shiva and Brahma, previous were Shiva and Brahma, they are also born from him, right? We know how first canto of Srimad Bhagavatam full of like how it happened. He was on the one Vatasya Patrasya Pute Shayanam Balam Mukundam Tamsa Namami. That Markanda Muni saw little that leaf, banyan leaf, and he was little baby, and he was his that big toe in his mouth, and he just thought, Eko Baho Shama, I want to become more. And then it sprouted everything, like Karnodaksha Vishnu, then Garbhodaksha Vishnu, and then Shirodaksha Vishnu, Sankarshan, and then all the how everything manifested, and finally how we are here. Beautiful verses in Canto 1. If you want to read Srimad Bhagavatam If you don't have Srimad Bhagavatam is ultimate, the solution for everything. Even if we have some problems also, depression. Nowadays, I am hearing about depressions. People are committing suicide and all that. If they are educated with this Srimad Bhagavatam or Bhagavad Gita, they will not lose the life. Human birth is very, very rare. Bahunam janmanam ante jnanavan ma prapadyate Vasudeva Sarvamiti Samatma Sudurlabha. Very, very, what we got is not ordinary. We got this. So many people are there in the world, right? How many people are knowing about Bhagavad Gita? Everybody has Bhagavad Gita. Everybody, when we say, oh, Bhagavad Gita as it is, they kept in the rack, right? In their temple room or somewhere, but not reading. We had to read scrutinizingly. We should know the meaning, what Krishna is trying to tell. Then only our life will be successful. But with Priti Purvakam, this verse, right? So very, very important. Now we'll go to next verse. Beautiful verses these are. Now this is the last verse. तेषामेव अनुकम्पार्थम् अहं ज्ञानं जमं तमः नाशयात्मा भावतो ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता. So we'll read this purport because it is the last verse and it is 7:30. Madhupati Prabhuji did not join, na? Is Madhupati Prabhuji there?
Yeah, he joined.
Oh, he joined? Oh, Prabhuji, you can take over, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna, Madhupati Prabhuji. I can't see Prabhuji. He is there? No, I don't see his name.
He was there before, maybe he dropped out.
Oh, okay. Okay, so, now where is my sharing? One moment. Okay, last verse.
Mataji, continue. Maybe
Yeah.
you still have internet issues. Yeah.
Yeah, one moment, Prabhuji. I will just share once again because everything is gone from my screen. Okay. So, here, translation and purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Translation. To show them special mercy, I dwelling in their hearts, destroy with the shining lamp of knowledge the darkness born of ignorance. Purport. When Lord Chaitanya was in Banaras promulgating the chanting of Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, thousands of people were following him. Prakashananda Saraswati, a very influential and learned scholar in Banaras at that time, derided Lord Chaitanya for being a sentimentalist. Sometimes Mayavadi philosophers criticize the devotees because they think that most of the devotees are in the darkness of ignorance and philosophically naive sentimentalists. Actually, that is not the fact. There are very, very learned scholars who have put forward the philosophy of devotion. But even if a devotee does not take advantage of their literatures or of spiritual master, if he is sincere in his devotional service, he is helped by Krishna himself within his heart. So the sincere devotee engaged in Krishna consciousness cannot be without knowledge. The only qualification is that one carry out devotional service in full Krishna consciousness. The Mayavadi philosophers think that without discriminating one cannot have pure knowledge. For them, this answer is given by Supreme Lord. Those who are engaged in this pure devotional service, even though they be without sufficient education and even without sufficient knowledge of Vedic principle, are still helped by the Supreme God as stated in this verse. The Lord tells Arjuna that basically there is no possibility of understanding the Supreme Truth, the Absolute Truth, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, simply by speculating for the Supreme Truth is so great that it is not possible to understand Him or achieve Him simply by making mental effort. Man can go on speculating for several millions of years, and if he is not devoted, if he is not lover of the Supreme Truth, he will never understand Krishna or Supreme Truth. Only by devotional service is the supreme truth, Krishna, please, and by his inconceivable energy, he can reveal himself to the heart of pure devotee. The pure devotee always has Krishna within his heart, and his presence of Krishna, who is just like the sun, and darkness of ignorance is at once dissipated. This is the special mercy rendered to the pure devotee by Krishna. Due to the contamination of material association, through many millions of births, one's heart is always covered with the dust of materialism. But when one engages in the devotional service and constantly chant Hare Krishna, the dust quickly clears and one is elevated to the platform of pure knowledge. The ultimate goal, Vishnu, can be attained by only by this chant and by devotional service, and not by mental speculation or argument. The pure devotee does not have to worry about material necessities of life. He need not be anxious, because when he removes the darkness from his heart, everything is provided automatically by the Supreme Lord, who is pleased by the loving devotional service or of the devotee. This is the essence of teachings of Bhagavad Gita. By studying Bhagavad Gita, one can become soul completely surrendered to the Supreme Lord and engage himself in the pure devotional service. As the Lord takes charge, one becomes completely free from all kinds of material endeavors. So this is the fourth verse of this Chatushloki Bhagavad Gita. So Srila Prabhupada is mentioning in the purport about Prakashananda Saraswati. I will just tell the pastime about Prakashananda Saraswati. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he just came to propagate Hare Krishna Mahamantra, right? And after taking sannyas, when he went to Gaya and he took sannyas, because for his rituals of his father he did, and after that he took sannyas and came back, and then Sachi Mata said, you have to stay nearby in Jagannath Puri, not far away. Already you took sannyas, Vishwarup already left me, your father also left this planet, I will be alone. So he said okay. And he went to Vrindavan to take all this darshan, to give mercy to all these Goswamis and all that. On the way he was coming back, the Varanasi, there all Mayavadis, and Prakashananda Saraswati was the leader of Mayavadi. So, and same Guru, they got like from Keshav Bharati, and one I think Chandrasekhar Vaidya and Tapan Mishra, he was staying at their place. So one Maharashtrian Brahman, he invited all the scholars, all Mayavadis, even Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Chandrasekhar Vaidya, everyone. And where that Prakashananda Saraswati was sitting on higher position. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came, somebody washed his, like that Maharashtrian Brahman washed his feet. So what happened that time, that Prakashananda Saraswati was saying, oh, he is like madman going here and there, he is like fool, he is dancing, chanting and giving this Mahamantra, like madman, he was saying. So Chandrasekhar Vaidya and Tapan Mishra, always disciple, they don't like if somebody is criticizing or saying something to Guru or even our seniors also, we cannot tolerate, right? So they wanted to, there should be debate. And then Maharashtrian Brahman, he washed his feet, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is so much close, right? Like Radharani, Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi, Radhe Vrindavaneshwari, right? He is Tapta Kanchana, like gold, when it is and the fire, how does it look like that? So much effulgence from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And he sat down there only, where they wash feet, and he sat down. And they then Prakashananda Saraswati saw Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, because he is a god brother, right? He said, why are you sitting there? Come here. He said, no, it's okay here. And then he came and he just touched Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's hand, come up, like this. And that light, because these Mayavadis, Acharyas mention so nicely, they say, Mayavadis, they think about light, Brahma Jyoti. They don't think like a personal form of Krishna. We are seeing in Jagannath Puri, Jagannath Ji is doing so much Leela, coming for eating pan, so many Leela in Jagannath, like a Katha I heard, Still he is doing lila. Here also he does lila. Whatever he wants to eat, he just makes that arrangement. Kathal, he likes that, right? We were talking while making garlands. Sukopi Mataji is there. So one Tiridham Prabhuji, he was telling about Madhavananda, and then he was having like farm, like king's farm. You can ask king. He said, Jagannathji said, no, I want by stealing. I will enjoy that. And then it's a very funny pastime. So he touched. They are thinking, oh, it is impersonal. We have to just go to Brahma Jyoti, that much only. And after death, they don't have anything. But Srila Prabhupada, our Goswamis, our Shastra is telling, after death, there is soul is eternal. Na jayate mriyatava kadachi nayam bhutva na bhavita na bhuya jo nityam shashvata purana na hanyate hanyamane sharire. Like you cannot cut, you cannot burn, you cannot make it wet. It is always eternal. It just changes, like how we are changing the clothes, it changes the body from one body to another body. So they he touched, right? They are thinking about light. So that light, the connection with the light, and Prakashananda Saraswati got, like, he totally changed and he became Prabodhananda Saraswati. He got initiation and his name also changed. So how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, see Krishna, even they are, then Srila Prabhupada is talking about Nam. So Srimad Bhagavatam also, always I talk in my classes about Nam, because this Kali Kale Nama Rupa Krishna Avatar. Krishna came in the form of name. Just taking his name, we can purify our heart. They say if you are in problem, chant. You lost the job, chant. Yeah, everywhere, while cooking, chant. While driving, chant. Just chant. Earlier I was thinking, oh, so boring, what to do, like when my children were little that time, and searching for what to do, like weekends. Now so we have so much thing, right? Like reading, listening so many lectures, joining the classes of preparing bhoga, always, and nothing is there. Just take our chanting bag and chant. Just walk. Srila Prabhupada used to do after his third heart attack. He started doing in Lilamrut. There is beautiful pastime in Lilamrut. He was hospitalized. Third heart attack. He got 2 in Jaladuta, and third heart attack. And that day Brahmananda and Kirtanananda Swami, they were with Srila Prabhupada, and they were taking blood, and Srila Prabhupada didn't like. He said, take me from here. Disciples, they have to listen. They took Srila Prabhupada. Doctor said he would die. You are you are taking him out. Then one nurse was there. She was also devotee, because she saw, right, how they were doing all these things, chanting and always glorifying Lord. She said, don't worry, nothing will happen. And he went, and from that point he started. They rented one apartment near in California, I think, near beach, and he started walking. And he has habit, he used to chant while walking. So that also is lesson. People nowadays, doctors are suggesting everyone just walk. Take chanting bag and just walk. And louder, everybody will get mercy. All birds, insects, everyone. So that is also service. Everywhere we can do service. So chanting, right? So in Shukadev Goswami also said, Kalir dosha nidhe rajan asti eko mahan guna kirtanat eta krishnasya mukta sangha param rajat. In this Kali Yuga, Shukadev Parikshit Maharaj allowed Kali, because there is a mahan gun. Just by chanting Krishna's name, we can deliver ourselves from this bhavasagar. We can cross this bhavasagar. Mukta sangha param rajat. Like we can go from this material world. No punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam, punarapi janme jatreshayanam. We will just go to our back to Godhead, where we have a lot of services, glorifying, making garlands, preparing bhoga, just with them all the time. No janma mrityu jaravadi. Here, dukkha dosha, dukkha layama shashvatam. Every moment, always something is there. Little happiness, gap between two distresses, right? Something good news we say, and next moment we don't know what news will come to us, right? So always Dukkhalaya, we have to come out of this. And then Vyasamuni also, he wrote so many 108 Purans, right? And Upanishad, I think 18 Purans and 108 Upanishads, so much, but he was not satisfied. Then Narad Muni, his guru, he came, he was walking by and he said, why you are looking like so sad? He said, I don't know, I don't feel satisfied. Sometimes we also feel like that. If it is not going well, everything like services, mostly Krishna consciousness thing, then we don't get that satisfaction, right? So he said, oh, you glorified Ganesha, Shivji, Mata, Devi, all these, right? And Vedas also, but you didn't glorify Krishna. That is the supreme personality of Godhead. And he wrote Srimad Bhagavatam. 4 verses Krishna gave to Narad Muni gave to Vyas Muni. And then those 4 verses, Vyas Muni expanded in 18,000 verses, that we have like 12 cantos. And then he glorified, and then last verse, and Ganesha was writing, right? In there is a place, they say, I never been, but I heard in Katha, Ganesha, that last verse, he said, Nama Sankirtanam yassa sarva papa pranasham pranamo dukkha shamnas tan namami harim param. Means Nam Sankirtan is the only it can take us cross this bhavasagar, and after that pranamo dukkha shamnas tan namami harim param. After that we don't have to do anything, just Nam Sankirtan. That's why always I chant. When I was also having, initially I was also having problem, like I moved to Bridgewater and my all services got discontinued, and then I got depression. Oh, what happened? Did I do wrong changing the place? And then Madhupati Prabhuji performed Yajna, and Srimad Bhagavatam came to my home, and I read whole Srimad Bhagavatam, and life totally changes. Srimad Bhagavatam itself, when we get it in our home, it doesn't come by, it is Guru's mercy and Krishna's sanction. Otherwise we cannot get Srimad Bhagavatam also. Chaitanya Charitamrita is a PhD level. After that, like Krishna's, Guru's mercy, devotee's mercy, we go to that. But Srimad Bhagavatam, it is teaching us how to die. So we should have Srimad Bhagavatam in our home. So how it happens? Like we chant. So he is like in this Nam, he took in the avatar of Nam. So we chant like Kaliya, Daman Leela. He was stepping on Kaliya, right? On different hoods, little Krishna in that river, Jamuna river. So our tongue is like snake's hoods, because so much poison is there in our heart. Kam, Krodh, Mad, Moha, Mascharya. Always, everybody has. We cannot deny at all. So when we take that name, he dances there, right? And then little poisons come, and then he enters. They say, utter the that syllables, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, and here with your ears. So he enters in our heart, and he says, oh my God, so much dirt here, all this envy, anger, lust, greed, everything is there. Then next day again, then he comes out, and then again we chant, then he goes, then he thinks, oh, they are reading Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita, and chanting also. Now I have to stay there. Now if dirty place is there, then we start cleaning, right? So he start cleansing slowly. How much baggage we carried since our life. That's why so many, I heard, since so many years they are there, but no progress. Why? Because lot of baggage. Its cleaning is not done. Like mirror, there is analogy, always they give in the class. Mirror, there is dust. You take one scrubber and then you clean. Too much dust, greasy, it takes time. Like that, our heart, it takes time. And some lot of devotees within 1 year, how they just progress, they elevated, they are in the totally, like initiation is a different part. Like Jay Prakash Prabhuji, I always say he is on the top. He doesn't need that, because he is following, he is chanting, he is going to Mangal Arati, he is doing all the services, our cooking service. He does so many for so many people. Now Janmashtami coming or this Rath Yatra day after tomorrow. Never complaints. And if I say Prabhu ji आपने किया, मैंने तो कुछ नहीं किया. Like this is and Smita Mataji also. They are like means no need of initiation also. COVID time, I remember Krishna Namananda Prabhuji got COVID, and Jai Prakash Prabhuji and I was also not initiated that time. We cook for deities in the deities kitchen. He doesn't need, because already Krishna, and he got protected in World Trade Center time. He mentioned, shared his how he was ready, but he didn't go. His train, he missed his train because Krishna wanted him to do all these services. So we have to like engage all our senses, always think of Krishna and do whatever, all the activities, material activities we can do transcendental. Even our job, if we think, oh, we are paying mortgage, we are raising our children, raise them like Krishna conscious, engage them in the services of Krishna, right? Kirtan, so many services, cleaning services there, so many services are there. Lakshmi we can use for different places also. Lot of poor people, somebody needs help, we can help. Krishna will be pleased, right? These are the little things. We can make all the things like transcendental. That's why they say first hearing, chanting, then purification, and Krishna reveals that. He gives knowledge, dadami buddhi yogam, and then we go and we want to engage, and then our taste change, higher taste. Earlier we used to like garlic onion food, now we cannot smell, we cannot tolerate also, right? Lot of people from north, they say chai ke bina to hota nahi tha. Now no problem, right? They are just doing lot of services. Lot of people lost their job, but they are in the service, so peaceful and blissful, and Krishna takes care. So this is really very important. These 4 verses teaching us how to do, how to elevate ourselves, how to engage ourselves in chanting and hearing and chanting. Srila Prabhupada emphasized on 2 things only, hearing and chanting. Then after that worshipping like Archanam, Dasyam, Padasevanam and all that, Atmani Vedanam like Bali Maharaj he did. But at least hearing and chanting, so we can come to that level and we can make, and now we got benefited, so now our responsibility, we have to share, spread this Krishna consciousness. If we have capacity, we can buy books and distribute, or prasadam also, we can make cookies or something and distribute. Like we can do a lot of things if we desire. And if we desire, he sanctions. He says, oh, okay, tathastu, do it. And he makes all the arrangement. So this is lot of learnings from Srimad Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam. And Chaitanya Charitamrita is so much nectar. Even after hearing, we feel like heart filled with the love of Godhead only. So I don't know what's the time, but anybody has any realization or question, so please do so. And always chant, never forget Krishna, and always remember Krishna and chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, dear devotees. Thank you so much for joining. Anybody has any question or... Actually, I was making garlands. Sugopi Mataji was there, and Bhaktavasal Prabhuji, he was asking, Mataji come to New York, Bhakti Brooklyn Temple में क्लास देना है, चलो माताजी आपको क्लास देने के लिए. I said no, Prabhuji, I cannot come there. Evening we also have class here, and Krishna makes arrangement. I always say, if somebody asks me for kirtan or class, when I say no, I feel very inside, I feel sad. And then tomorrow also Bhakti Viksha, like Jersey City Bhakti Viksha, I was assigned for etiquette, Sadachar, beautiful section, how to worship deities at home. But I have other services, so I am giving next Saturday. So Krishna makes all this arrangement. And when Madhupati Prabhuji called, and I was thinking, see, Krishna grants over there, because I was feeling sad, I said no for the service, and he makes all the arrangement. So anybody has question or Ved Sharma Prabhuji, you have any question? Vivek Arora Prabhuji.
Mataji, no question. So thank you so very much. So motivating. Actually, it's like a general motivating his soldiers to fight and win.
Hmm.
That's what you, each and every word that you spoke, I really listened attentively, and I will try to I follow that because this was so lucid, and it was flow was very nice. I'm calling a spade, not
All
there's no
glories to
exaggeration.
Srila
I mean it.
Prabhupada.
Thank you so very much.
All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Everything
Hare Krishna.
coming from him and from our seniors, from our Acharya, our
Yes, Mataji.
yeah.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks,
Prabhuji.
thanks,
Thank
thanks. Hare Krishna.
you. Vivek Arora Prabhuji, do you have any question? Last time you had question. I remember. We talked about Purushottam.
Mataji, this was excellent discourse. I really enjoyed it. I have no question actually.
Good,
I was
Prabhuji.
totally lost in your discourse.
It's like Krishna makes that, and our dear Srila Prabhupada. What he has given, Prabhuji, ultimate. Like if we sit at one place and just think, it's so amazing, so wonderful. We are very, very blessed, very, very fortunate. So we should follow Prabhuji and make our not only our life but everybody's life. People are suffering in this world now. So we have to make their life also at least peaceful. Thank you so much, Prabhuji.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you for joining, Prabhuji, every time. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Chetan Soma, yeah, Prabhuji. Yeah, he also joins every time. Prabhuji, do you come to temple? Chetan Prabhuji?
Yes, Mataji, but not very regularly, but I
Okay.
do come
Okay.
sometimes.
Yeah, we have
He
you.
comes for second week cooking seva, Mataji.
Oh, okay. Very nice. Very nice.
He's expert for the dokla.
Ah, I should
No,
taste that.
That's Prabhuji.
Okay, Prabhuji. Please continue your service and just assist Jai Prakash Prabhuji. Nowadays I am not going, but help Jai Prakash Prabhuji always, who can go and help him. They are doing such a wonderful service. Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you
Yes,
so much.
Mataji. Thank you.
Who is this iPhone 3? iPhone 3 is there. Kanika Mataji is there.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Oh, Baldev Prabhuji. Oh, Hare
No,
Krishna.
Harish Prabhu.
Oh, Harish Prabhuji. Oh, okay, okay.
Hare Krishna.
Hey, thank you.
Wonderful class. Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining, Prabhuji. Yeah, I see you at the temple in the
Hare
service.
Krishna Mataji, Dandavat Pranam.
Oh, you are there. Okay, yeah.
बहुत अच्छा माताजी का लक्ष्य है।
You are still here. I am happy.
थोड़ा सा हिंदी में थोड़ा सा बीच में बोलते रहो माताजी।
हाँ ओकरी रथ यात्रा में आने वाले हैं क्या? फिर वहाँ पे हम
हाँ
करेंगे
माताजी,
डिस्कशन.
हम
हाँ
आएंगे।
ठीक है माता जी. फिर भी आजकल
Thank you,
आपको
माता
समझता है. गुड. यू आर ज्वाइनिंग. आप ज्वाइन करते हैं, बहुत अच्छी बात है माता जी. यू नो डिवोटी वन टाइम चैतन्य महाप्रभु साउथ इंडिया जा रहे थे, तो एक डिवोटी ऐसे भगवत गीता देख रहा था उल्टी, राइट. उसको पढ़ना नहीं आता था बट रो रहा था. चैतन्य महाप्रभु ने जाके देखा और देखा कि आप तो ऐसे उल्टा पढ़ रहे हैं ये भगवत गीता, और आंखों में आंसू. बोले कि मैं ये देख रहा हूँ कि भगवान कितने मर्सीफुल है. वो चैरिएटर बने हैं अर्जुन के लिए. एंड चैरिएटर को कैसे मतलब वो बैठते हैं ना, जैसे हॉर्सेस ऐसे दौड़ाने पड़ते, राइट. तो इतनी आवाज़ होती है वहाँ पे जब युद्ध होता है, तो जो मतलब अर्जुन है उसको पैर से करना है कि मुझे लेफ्ट जाना है, मुझे राइट जाना है. एंड कृष्णा कर रहे थे, राइट, ये काम. तो ये सोच के उसके आंखों में, तो चैतन्य महाप्रभु ने बोला कि तुम्हें कोई शास्त्र पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं, तुम्हें मिल गया रियलाइजेशन. तो आप जैसे ज्वाइन करते हैं माता जी, जैसे भक्ति भिक्षा, जर्सी सिटी भक्ति भिक्षा का भी नहीं समझ में आता है फिर भी ज्वाइन करते हैं, तो वही बस कृष्णा इज़ हैप्पी आपके साथ. Very nice, Mataji.
थैंक यू
Very
माता
nice.
थैंक यू
Thank you so
खूब
much.
खूब धन्यवाद हरे कृष्ण
हरे कृष्णा. ओकरी रथ यात्रा में आना माताजी. Okay.
जरूर माता
Yeah,
थैंक
okay.
यू
Kanika Mataji, you want to? Kanika Mataji also joins every time, and she does wonderful services of cleaning at our temple with her son. Always beautiful service.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Bol Mataji.
It
Thank you.
was a beautiful class, Mataji.
Thank-
Really loved your lecture. Thank you, Mataji.
Yeah, all glories to Srila Prabhupada. Thank you for joining, Mataji. Every time you join. Yeah, thank you so much. Jai Prakash Prabhuji, he is always there, and he is my Shiksha Guru. Always like I have so much respect for him. And when something is going wrong, like pallu lene ka while singing, so he, Amritananda Prabhuji, they are my Shiksha Guru. From them I learn lot, and we need this kind of seniors in our Hita Chintak. They say well wisher. Like otherwise वो wrong कर रहे करने दो, अपने को क्या पड़ी है, right? But they are the real well wisher. सब गलत हो रहा है, something is going wrong, they come and very nicely he comes and he tells Mataji, and he tells very nicely. So I have so much respect for both of them. They are like my family member. Thank you so much, Jai Prakash Babuji. Your association, your guidance all the time. So I don't know what's the time.
Mother, it's time to close, 8 o'clock.
Oh, 8 o'clock? Okay. So
Yeah.
one.
We can make an announcement about the Okti Road Rath Yatra.
You can do, Prabhuji. You can make it an
No,
announcement.
I just posted the flyer in the Gita group also,
Okay.
Gita study group.
Mm-hmm.
So there will be prasadam serving at the end,
Hmm.
and the address is on the flyer
Yeah.
also.
Yeah.
So please
and
come for Rath Yatra.
yeah.
Please come for whatever service you could do,
Services.
Saturday, Sunday.
Hmm.
And after the Rath Yatra, please join for the prasadam.
Prasadam. And this
Correct.
time it is reverse way. Always
Yeah,
we
it's
go from
starting in Eastland and ending in Edison. Yeah.
Yeah. Always we go from Apna Bazaar to Islin, but this time from that church to here. And there is parking also. Madhupati Prabhuji mentioned we have to take some route and go there. So check on our Japhatam group. They are posting all these details. And please join Jagannath. This is the last Rath Yatra of this year of our temple. We have 3 Rath Yatras and this is last one. So, and it is for like 15th August, na? So much crowd, but we have to give this Harinam, like chant, dance there, distribute prasad also there. We are packing dry fruits, so that also we can distribute. Janmashtami flyers also we can distribute. So lot of services. Only it's our desire what we want to do, and we can do it. So please join everyone. So see you at the Oak Tree Rath Yatra. Thank you so much, Prabhuji, and thank you everyone.
Thank you, Mataji.
Okay. Vancha kalpataru
Vancha
bhasya
kalpataru
kripa
bhasya
sindhu vacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo
Namo
namah.
Namaha.
Vaishnavrinda
Vaishnavrinda
ki
ki jai.
jai.
Srila Prabhupada
की
ki
जय.
Sankirtan Yajna
की
ki
जय. जगन्नाथ रथ यात्रा की जय.
जय.
जय जय. Thank
Jai
you so
Prakash
much.
Prabhu ki.
Yeah, जय प्रकाश प्रभु जी की जय.
Very good.
हरे हरे
Thank
बोल.
you everybody. Hari Bol.
Thank
Thank you,
Hare
thank you,
Thank you
Mataji.
so
Thank you,
much. Thank you.
Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्ण.
Hare
Hare Krishna.
हरि
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji.
हरि बोल. हरे कृष्ण.